Song is dedicated to one of my best friends, Mr. Leon Whitlow. He loves this song, and it's for you, buddy. I spent the night in the rain in Memphis. I didn't make my stop in time. I walked 2 blocks in the rain in Memphis to find a diner with an open sign. The place was empty except for an old black woman. She said, "Will you come sit with me? Don't be scared, child, 'cause I ain't all that crazy. You just remind me of somebody." And as I sat down, she took a long, deep breath. She said, "You're a driver, I can tell." She laughed and said, "You all carry yourselves the same. And back in '65, I fell in love with one myself. And just like you, he was tall and blue, white and white. But I could care less if he was green. He had my heart and soul for the taking. But in '65, our love was considered obscene. We saw each other as often as we could when he was in town and I could slip away. But he was killed in a wreck back in '71. And though I moved on, I'll never forget those days. If you'd be so kind to have a cup of coffee with an old black woman, it would do my heart some good. We talked for hours about how times have changed, for the good, the bad, and for the misunderstood. I hated to go, but before I left, I paid for her coffee and she hugged me so tight. And with half a tear in her eye, she bid me farewell. And she said, "You be careful out there tonight." And I never caught her name, doesn't matter anyway. That woman's story touched my very soul. And as I walked away, I took some time to pray that I'm as strong as her when I grow old. That woman had a heart of gold. I spent the night in the rain in Memphis. I didn't make my stop in time.